So I did this drawing and I used DC Grainy filler from my brush studio, and I want to do a bit more work on it, but my problem is I'm not sure what color I used, and because of the way the brush and the paper texture I used works, I don't know exactly what color I used because everything's very textured and mottled. But that is not a problem because I created a utility layer and it's called swatches, and if I turn it on, there are all the colors I used, and I can just put my finger on and choose the color again. Your swatches layer always goes above any textures that you might be using, because if I zoom right up close and personal and drag this underneath my paper layer, I get that same mottling effect. So utility layers with color swatches on always go right at the top of your layers and then invisible until you need them. Check out the links below for hours of top quality tuition and a unique complete art studio in a box. If you can hit like and subscribe, that would do me a big favor. Thanks for watching.